Hello friends, welcome to Electromagnetic Material.
If you are working on electromagnetic materials, then this video is very useful for you.
Do you know, the dielectrics properties, conductivity, reflection loss in dB can be predicted for any filler loading of a polymer composite system in a very limited time. You might have microwave dielectric data and calculated reflection loss for some composites, and you might publish also. But your composite's best performance is not reported yet. Are you shocked? Are you serious? Yes, I am not joking. Do you know what is the reflection loss, dB, value or microwave absorption capability for your composite for X% filler loading? You might study the microwave absorption characteristics just for few percent of filler loading only. But to know your best performance, one must evaluate electromagnetic properties and reflection loss from 1% to 99.99% filler loading in a very less interval. For example, 0.1% filler loading interval. Your best performance may come at 3.9%, 5.1%, 13.7%, 17.3%, etc. No one knows. Conventionally, it is not studied like this. Successfully leveraging the power of 21st century scientific computing has the potential to resolve such problems with limited resources and time.
Are you interested to know more? We use the concept of machine learning, artificial neural network and materials data-driven discovery to study the electromagnetic properties of a composite materials. We used the advanced Python coding and we have developed a graphical user interface, through which it can be done very easily. We can provide whatever information you need. It is entirely new proof of concept by leveraging the power of 21st century scientific computation. What we do. We evaluate the best electromagnetic performance of any composite system for optimal filler loading and provide in-depth information with an excellent visualization.
Based on your permittivity and permeability data, we evaluate the best microwave as well as electromagnetic performance for your electromagnetic composites with advanced machine learning, artificial neural network, and materials data-driven method. We can predict the reflection loss value for any filler percent loading and optimize. In fact, if you have published a paper, or you have permittivity-permeability data for some filler loading based on that itself, we can investigate the optimal loading for best performance. In other words, using our technology, based on your previous data, a new eye-catching work and paper can be given to scientific community as well as it can be commercialized for novel applications such as wireless technology, self-powered devices, military applications, RF solar devices, etc.
The obvious question, is it realistic? Yes, it is realistic. Experimental data very well matched with predicted data, unlike conventional simulations.
Please feel free to write to us to know more information, to know our technology, data analysis, manuscript preparation and software. Our email ID is ematerials21@gmail.com. Thank you.